Hi everyone! Thank you very much for coming back to my Bill ATX Real Estate channel. I'm a real estate agent again from Premier Team Real Estate in Austin, Texas. And this house I have sold for my clients last couple weeks is 1 story, 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, and 1 study room and 2 baths. This house was built by Meritage Home, and Meritage is one of the best builders, well known in using spray foam for their home insulation, which is energy saving. And living in a Meritage home could save you a lot of money, especially like up to $100 to $150 every month on the electrical bill. I personally live in a Meritage home, so I know that is the fact. So for this construction home that I signed up for my clients about 4 months ago, and it was about $360,000, but as of today, it is approximately about $380,000 to $385,000. Meritage in Hutto, Highlands North is sold out for January 2022, so they only have very few lots left and available for February and March. So if you are interested in buying a home in this area, please contact me, and my information is in the back of the video. In Hutto, Highlands North, there are more than 100 lots total. The price is ranging between $360 up to $450, depend on what plan selection you use. And the square feet is about 1,621 up to 2,556 square feet. One of the smallest popular plan called the Highlander, and it has $372,000, 1 story, 2-car, and about 1,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 1 study, and 2 baths. This is one of the popular 1-story plan. The second popular 1-story floor plan is also called the Hogwood. It is about $415,000, 1 story, 2-car garage, is almost 1,900 square feet with 4 beds and 2 baths. This is one of the Meritage popular 2nd-story home, and it's called the Pioneer. The price range right now is $446,000, 2-car garage, 2,425 square feet with 4 bedroom and 2.5 bath. So one of the popular 2-story, just to let you know that the price is subject to be changed, and it has been increased for each of the releases that's coming in the future. If you would like some more information about some of the houses that I sold and will be released in February and March 2022, feel free to contact me. My information is at the end of the video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. I really appreciate your support and willing to provide you more information about new communities that are coming up in the Austin area. So let's now tour with me on this cute house. Thank you everyone again for watching this Vo ATX Real Estate channel in Austin, Texas, and hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye!